In my last video, I was able to observe that there was evidence of gold in the area in which I was camping. Well, I didn't really tell you exactly how I was able to determine that. It was a very interesting man that I met. His name was Rick, or at least that's how he introduced himself, but it was more like Eureka. He said he had a very interesting name, but I can't remember exactly what it was. But as he continued to pan for gold, he said one day it's going to be Eureka, because he is going to find a massive amount of gold, which would be pretty interesting. And he showed me exactly what that evidence looks like. And I'm going to indicate in this intro just a little bit of what it was that I was able to see to determine that.
All I know, I've stayed here for too long. Some tears are softer than
I used my Canon Rebel T7 with a 500mm zoom to get a close-up of the mountain in the area. And Rick was telling me that the color that you see, that tan and that rusty color, is evidence of washout. The black, the darker it is, the more gold is in the mountain that basically hasn't washed out yet. And again, as you look at that evidence, you'll see it washing down towards the creeks and the rivers, and that's where you'll be able to pan for gold.
even gold can rise. Now I'm slowly building up again. Got new neighbors, finding some new friends. I think it even does me good to take this time alone. I'm pretty sure it's better than just staring at the phone. When all that you believe has turned to dust, still you keep on keeping on because you must. Even gold can rust.
Hey buddy. I have some nuts that I can give you a little bit later, but I don't have them handy now. So you're just gonna have to hold off, okay? There you go. You're welcome. Oh yeah. The amount of wildlife that I was actually able to see was really impressive, especially as they came into the camp, and some even very close to me throughout the time that I was staying there. Just grabbing a bite to eat. Got a little buck here. Just joined me right next to my car. Hey buddy. You going up the hill there? There's a little path. Hey. How are you? What you doing? I actually love it whenever I have an opportunity to sit and listen to the rain. However, my tarp modification definitely has flaws when it comes to rain.
I'm able to mitigate that by lowering the side poles and then pulling down in the center with this rope so that I can allow the rain to drain off a little bit better.
Got a nice little double rainbow. That is pretty cool. I guess the trade-off for the very comfortable temperature was the fact that it did rain quite a bit while I was there. In fact, I would say that it rained probably close to 75 or 80% of the time. But again, the temperature just could not be beat. Because it's such a beautiful area and it was so comfortable being there, I was able to spend a lot of time thinking, meditating, praying, and just thinking about things that are going on, all of the opportunities that I have, the work that I'm doing, and the work that I have ahead of me. And I tell you what, it is something that just means the world to me, to be able to be in this position, to be in this situation, and to show you what it is that I have an opportunity to see, and hopefully give you an opportunity to live vicariously through me.
It's a Sunday morning rain, another sunrise by the roadside. Oh, it's an old and worn and stain, won't come out no matter how hard I try. And as the sun is coming up, I hear the sound of the waking city. I'll hitch a ride at the next truck stop if someone will show a stray dog some pity. I pray, be still, my vagabond heart. Don't listen to the calling road. Oh, be still, my vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start, and that ain't no way to live. There was always more than just playing a part. So baby, please forgive my vagabond heart. Again, the open road lies before me. That old itch was starting to burn. It's the simple things that always draw me to see what lies behind the next turn. It won't be still, my vagabond heart. My vagabond heart. My vagabond heart.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best.
Come down to the underground old school. Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?